balik ka pa rin palagi.
Lang sa kanilang team.
Hello po, ako po si Jason D, 24 years old po from Butuan City. Ito naman ang aking napakagandang younger sister. Mami ko pala, mami ko. My parents separated. Almost a year na po kaming no contact with my father. Pero me and my mom see each other all the time.
Pero balita ko, si Jason daw ay may kakaibang racket.
Galing mo dito, Mark Tojo.
Gano'n din ako nag-sideline as a haranista. It is like a modern day singing telegram. Parang gano'n. Balik, kunyari may special event na may gusto kay paharana. Kunyari, gusto mo mag-propose. So, parang nag-set kami ng mood sa habang kayo nag-propose. Kinakata namin. Oras ko na. Time ko naman sana na ako naman yung nasa spotlight.
Kokoy. Guys.
But I still feel love cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. No.
Ganda rin yung kanta niya kasi.
Sam Smith. Stay with me.
The son of Pepe.
Donate service. Parang ano po, modern day singing telegram.
Alright.
So parang hinaharana mo people
Yes po.
online.
Yes po.
Pwede pa sample? Isa lang?
Sample na.
Kunyari po, parang may nililigawan or...
Kunyari ako.
O to, papahiram ko to sa'yo.
Kunyari, may tumawag sa'yo na on his behalf, nililigawan si Sarah.
Good evening po. Sino po dito si Miss Sarah?
Ha? Bakit?
Yes, hello. Pinadala po kami ni Sir.
Okay.
Para ranahin po kayo.
Ano bang contact number niyan?
My all to you, you're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose and win, cause I give you all of me. I give you all of you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you!
So may message po ba kayo for Sir?
Sabihin mo, si sir mo, ako yung piliin mo.
Okay, sige po. Makakarating po.
Kasi hindi ka niya babayaran.
Nako po.
That was great. That was a great performance,
po.
Jason.
Oh my God, coming from Bab. Thank you.
Man. And ako, it was just joy enough na umikot silang tatlo.
Oh my God, when you hit those falsettos, it was over. You just took over the competition.
Nung nakataligod pa, it's like, oh my God, Sam Smith. He's like one of my new favorite singers. Mawawala ka na sa sarili dahil talagang nadadala ka niya sa emosyon niya. Pero, mo kami. I thought I was gonna have a heart attack in my chair.
Sobra kaming bilib sa'yo. Kasi hindi mo kinailangang lakasan yung boses mo o bumirit para sa amin. Yung strength mo para sa...
Thank you po, thank you.
Galing!
That is the one and only time I've ever had to hold hands in another chair because it was just too much. Hindi nangyayari yan ng madalas na too much for me. This was too much. Grabe ka talaga.
I think we could have a lot of fun together. I need you in my team.
I hope you stay with me.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Jason, do you make music?
Yes, sir. I write my own songs po. Oh my God. Okay. Whoa.
See, I make music too, just like you. I produce music too and write, and I've written on every single of these albums, and they've won awards. And together we could produce and write together. So, sana piliin mo ko.
After the run of The Voice is over, he can always take you into the studio, produce and write. However, right now, we've got this competition. Who's it going to be?
Sino po?
Saan nga ba magsistay si Jason? Sa Team Leia, Team Apple o Team Sarah? Abangan sa pagbabalik ng The Voice of the Philippines.
Kayo nga ba magsistay itong blind audition natin? Well, malalaman natin sa ilang
Actually,
saglit.
first time mangyayari na wala siyang pipiliin.
Malay mo,
Joke lang.
malay mo, tanggihan niya yung opportunity.
Wow,
no?
siguro ang dami nagre-react sa Twitter niyan. Kasi, alam nyo, yung Stay With Me by Sam Smith, the son of Pepe, it's really...
Pinush mo talaga?
Hindi.
Pinush mo, ah?
It's in the top 10 sa Billboard. Let's face it. Nag-research ako.
Really?
2 days ago. Yeah, it's like number 7 or number 8.
Wow, that is what
At
we
magkasabay
call
sila. Search it.
a very diligent reporter.
Yes, meron siya isang bagong kanta si Sam Smith. I don't know what song is that, pero magkaano lang sila. Magkapareho lang ng consecutive number.
Yung galing mo talaga. Galing
I
mo
don't
naman.
know. Wisdom overflowing here.
Wisdom is just, all over the place, just like sa live chat natin. Sabi ni Bernadette, enjoying live stream all the way from Perth,
Hi,
Australia.
Perth.
Can you greet all of our fans here sa Perth?
Hello, Australia. I'm so happy that I... Wale. I'm so happy, bloody.
Blood? No, that's in the UK.
But remember, UK is under Australia. Australia is under UK. Diba? Tama?
Australia is under UK.
Yes.
True. Okay.
Then yun,
Wisdom
Aborigines.
here.
Small black people. Aborigines.
Okay. Sige.
Pinag-aralan ko yan.
We believe you. We
Nanood
believe
pa
you
ako
here.
ng pelikula, yung...
In Australia,
Read it.
in Canada, in the Middle East, and all over the world. Maraming salamat. At sabi ni Wolf from
sino si
live. Pero yung pusod yata medyo ninalinis.
Patantas ang pusod ko. Bakit after sternum pusod na? Sternum. The sternum is the bone.
The bone off.
Of the ribs. The middle
Thank
bone
you
of
so
the
much.
ribs.
Po na ni Alex Gonzaga being here.
Thank you.
At the voice. Okay.
Lang lahat, stock knowledge.
Stock knowledge.
Yes.
Okay. So, sana mas stock naman. sabi ni, first ka sa puso ko.
Alam mo, hagis kita.
Kasi, bakit?
Hagis kita palabas. Touch ako.
From Twitter. Ito ba si 2L Philippines Online na master na ni V-Report Alex Gonzaga ang Lea Salonga reaction. Okay.
Yes.
For example.
You sing. Stay with me. You sing,
Okay.
stay with me.
Okay. Won't you stay with me?
Oh my. I can't take it.
'Cause
So good.
you're
Oh my God.
All I need.
Ang galing mo. Tama.
Paano kung pangit? Give it up for Alex Gonzaga.
Thank you so much.
That's why we love The Voice so much.
That's
Because
why
of the gorgeous
trending
reaction.
tayo worldwide.
Jason